Hey everyone, welcome back to Ton Orbital. I'm Tonio, and today we're diving into Tonkeeper. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned user, this guide will walk you through everything from setting up your wallet to advanced features like gasless transactions and the Tonkeeper battery. Tonkeeper is a secure, non-custodial wallet available on iOS, Android, Windows, web, and as a browser extension. It allows you to send, receive, and buy Ton and other tokens, manage NFTs, make payments, swap assets, stake for rewards, and handle subscriptions, all with fast transactions and low fees. Alright, let's get started. As soon as we open the app, we're given two choices: create a new wallet or import one. In this case, we're going with creating a new wallet. Next, we'll need to set a PIN code and remember it, as it will be required to confirm transactions. Next, we enable the notification for the app, so we get notified if we got deposit. Here, we can customize our wallet name and icon and choose whichever one we like. Our wallet is now created, but the setup isn't fully complete yet. We still need to back up the recovery phrase. The recovery phrase, also known as the secret phrase or seed phrase, is a unique set of 24 words that gives you full access to your wallet and funds. Make sure to write it down and store it somewhere safe. Offline is best. This step is super important because if you lose your recovery phrase, you'll lose access to your wallet and everything in it. After backing it up, we'll need to confirm the phrases by entering the correct words in the right order based on their numbers. And we're done. If we want to access our recovery phrase again, we just tap the settings icon, go to the backup section, and select Show Recovery Phrase. After reading the alert, we tap Continue, and we'll be able to see our phrases again. If we head over to the security section, we'll find the option to enable biometrics, along with a few other settings you can explore here. In Tonkeeper, we can manage multiple wallets. To add a new wallet, we need to tap on our current wallet name, then hit Add Wallet. From there, we can choose between several options. In this case, we'll select Import. To import a wallet, we need to enter its 24-word recovery phrase. After that, we can see that two wallets with different versions are assigned to the same recovery phrase: V4R2 and W5. Tonkeeper's W5 standard is now the default for all new wallets. It offers great features like gasless transactions, two-factor security, and multi-send, which lets you send up to 255 transactions at once. The multi-send feature is available on the desktop and web versions with a pro subscription. In this case, we can see that the V4 wallet already holds some Ton, so that's the one we want to import. Next, we can customize our wallet's name and icon to make it easier to recognize. We're all set. The wallet has been added and is ready to use. Now, let's send some Ton from the imported wallet to the newly created one. First, we need to go back to our new wallet, hit the Receive button, and copy the address. Then, we return to the imported wallet and tap the Send button. Here, we'll paste the recipient address, choose the token and the amount we want to send, and optionally enter a comment, though we won't need that right now. After that, we'll hit Continue, then tap Transfer and enter our password. Now, if we go back to our new account, we can see that our balance has been updated. In the History section, we can view the transaction, and by tapping on it, we can open it in Ton Viewer for more details. Tonkeeper includes a built-in swap feature. By tapping the swap button, we can select the token and amount to send and choose which token we want to receive. Here we're swapping Ton for USDT. Tonkeeper also lets us view detailed information about the transaction, and we can change the slippage tolerance before confirming the swap. Slippage is the difference between the expected price and the price you actually get when the transaction goes through. Next, we'll hit Continue. Then confirm the transaction, enter our password, and that's it. The swap is completed within seconds, right inside the Tonkeeper app. In Tonkeeper, there's also a buy and sell section where you can buy and sell crypto using fiat. There are several payment methods to choose from. If you already have crypto on another blockchain and want to bring it into Ton, you can use cross-chain swap apps. In this example, we're going to use Simple Swap. Here, we're swapping our BNB to Ton. We just need to choose the tokens and enter the amount we want to swap. Then, we enter the recipient's Ton address, which is our Tonkeeper wallet address. After that, we send the BNB to the provided wallet address, and within a few seconds, we'll receive our Ton. And here it is. The Ton has been successfully added to our wallet. Tonkeeper also has a built-in staking feature that lets you stake your Ton on different platforms without leaving the app. Ton Stakers currently offers the best APR, and you can start staking with as little as 1 ton, so that's the one we'll choose. Next, after selecting the amount we want to stake, we'll hit continue, then continue and stake to finalize the process. Ton Stakers lets you stake Ton and receive TS Ton in return, a liquid staking token that continues to earn rewards while remaining usable across DeFi platforms. If you're not sure what staking or liquid staking means or how it works, be sure to check out our Ton Stakers video for a full explanation. After the staking is complete, a new section called Staked appears in our wallet. If we tap on it, we can see our TS Ton tokens, and by tapping on the token, we have the option to send them. Here we can also stake more Ton if we want, or choose to unstake. In this case, we want to unstake all of our staked Ton. Keep in mind that unstaking takes time before the tokens return to your wallet. While our Ton is being unstaked, let's transfer an NFT using Tonkeeper. First, we'll go to our old wallet, where we have some NFTs stored in the collectibles section. Next, we'll select an NFT. We will choose a Telegram username NFT. Then, we tap transfer, enter the wallet address we want to send it to, hit continue, and finally confirm the transaction using our password. Now, if we go back to our new wallet, we can see that the NFT has been added to the collectibles section. A powerful feature of Telegram usernames and Ton DNS NFTs is that you can link them to your Tonkeeper wallet, turning your long wallet address into a short, human-readable name. We just need to tap the link button, then connect our wallet to the Tonkeeper DNS website. After that, we click link domain, verify our wallet address, hit link, and confirm the transaction. Now, Elon Musk Pixel is successfully linked to our wallet as a domain. Let's test it out. Here, we're using our old wallet to send Caddy tokens to our new wallet using its linked domain name. Let's confirm the transaction and head back to our new wallet. And just like that, the Caddy tokens have arrived in our wallet. Tonkeeper features a Browse tab where you can try out everything from decentralized finance apps to blockchain games. I suggest exploring it. Many of them are surprisingly fun and useful. One of Tonkeeper's standout features is Gasless transactions. With the W5 wallet standard, you can send certain tokens like USDT, TS Ton, Dogs, Caddy, Knot, and others without holding Ton for network fees. The transaction fee is deducted directly from the token you're sending, making the process seamless. Now, let's try it out. As you can see, we don't have any Ton coin in our wallet, but we want to send USDT to an address. Even though we don't have any Ton to cover the fee, the transaction still goes through, and the fee is automatically deducted from the USDT we have in our wallet. Another unique feature that Tonkeeper offers is the battery feature. The Tonkeeper battery is a prepaid balance that covers transaction fees automatically. You can charge your battery using Ton, USDT, and other tokens, or even your bank card via in-app purchases. This feature ensures you can send, receive, and swap tokens without worrying about holding Ton for fees. You can use the battery to swap tokens, send tokens, and transfer NFTs, but it does not cover Ton coin transfers. Let's see if we can swap our USDT for some Ton. As you can see, we can't proceed because we don't have any Ton to cover the network fees. So let's go ahead and charge our battery. First, we need to go to settings, then select the battery option. Here we can see different charge packages available for purchase, either with fiat or using one of the supported tokens. In this case, we'll be buying charges with Knot. You can check the video description to see how many charges are required for certain actions. Here, we'll be buying 125 charges. Next, we'll hit continue, then confirm the transaction by entering our password, and that's it, we're done. Now, if we try to swap our USDT for Ton, we can see that the transaction goes through and we can confirm it by entering our password. And that's it, we've successfully swapped our USDT using the battery feature. Tonkeeper also has a Pro version available on desktop and web. It's designed for more advanced users and unlocks powerful features like multi-send, which lets you send up to 255 transactions at once, making it perfect for giveaways or mass payouts. It also includes multi-sig support, so multiple people can approve transactions. Great for teams and businesses. And with multi-accounts, you can manage unlimited wallets under one seed phrase, making it super convenient. If you'd like us to go deeper into Tonkeeper Pro in another video, let us know in the comments. And that's it for this video. I hope this helped you get started and feel more confident using the Tonkeeper. As always, make sure to do your own research before making any moves with your crypto. If you noticed anything we missed or if something wasn't clear, just drop a comment below and we'll be happy to make a follow-up video to cover it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for updates. Stay informed with the latest ton news by following us on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.